Hello folks, welcome to another BYD ATTO video. In this video I'm going to show you how to edit photos on your BYD infotainment screen. It's really quirky, the features on this car, and this is it's a fun feature while you're getting bored, while it's getting charged, maybe the car's getting charged. So here you go, you swipe from your home screen, go to album, and you have the option here to also capture a photo. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm gonna capture a photo here first. There we go. Countdown 3, 2, 1, and it's captured that. It's because I said that. If I just go 3 seconds, it'll do it 3 seconds. But yeah, the photo's been captured, and there is the photo that I just took. And once I'm in here, I can then tap on edit. Under edit now, I can rotate the image. I can crop the image. Let's say I just want that much. Go. Okay, there's various aspect ratios to choose from. I can even make a circle. There we go, there's a nice circle. Okay. And it'll just save that. I can then apply filters, something like Instagram, low-mo, classical, refreshing, gorgeous, romantic, all sorts. So much to choose from, so much choice. I'll just go make that a sketch. And then I can add a mosaic onto that. That doesn't work so well for sketches, but yeah. You can add a blur. That's really blurry now. And then you just hit save. And when you hit save, it tells you it saved it. And you can share it if the system was completely set up, and you could probably share it to your mobile phone or something in the future. That's probably an update that's going to come through at some point. You can mark it as a favorite, you can rename it, you can also delete it, the options there. And I'll just show you the photo, and there it is. And where is this photo saved? It is saved on in the internal memory, and there's the photo. I wish I could set this as my background image. That would be pretty cool, eh? But no, not right now. Tap and hold. No, still no options. I can copy it to the USB or the SD card. You can see the details of how it was captured. Yeah, there's quite a few features. It tells you it's a 1920 by 1080 resolution. And there's the folder, internal storage, DCIM, camera. There's the image number. File name, sorry. Cool. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and share these videos. I really appreciate your support and ideas for new videos. So I'll try and keep making them as much as I can. Bye-bye. Drive safe.